Migrating birds fly huge distances without using a map and somehow always know which way's home. But how? One theory suggests that the Earth's magnetic field could cause a chemical reaction and tells the bird where to fly. But the Earth's magnetic field seems too weak to cause a chemical reaction. The definition of a chemical reaction, though, is not a huge explosion. It's just the breaking and forming of new bonds. And if a system is in a very unstable state, the tiniest of forces could have a big effect. Behold, the radical pair mechanism. A radical pair is a pair of molecules that have been broken into radicals. They're slightly magnetic due to an odd number of electrons and a property called electron spin. These radical pairs are super unstable and quickly recombine into their previous couple or form bonds with other molecules. This is determined by the electron spin since only opposite spin electrons can combine. But electrons aren't the only ones that are slightly magnetic. Neutrons and protons also have the spin property, and the magnetic interactions between these subatomic particles alter the energy of the system. Since the quantum world states that energy comes in discrete packets, altering the energy is not technically allowed, and what results is a superposition of all allowed energies. Because of their spin, electrons act like tiny magnets and tend to rotate in the direction of the field, leading to a bias and oscillation between allowed energies. Okay, now back to the birds. It turns out that there's a protein in the bird's eye called cryptochrome, and that creates a radical pair when hit by light. Once a radical pair is released, the protein changes its shape a tiny bit, which could be a biological signal detected by the bird's brain, guiding it along its way. Now, this is not solid proof, but Schulten's theory has led to much more than just bird navigation. It's a whole new look into quantum biology. Thank you!